Mugabe Duncan umwaki ekora kuru machoge chache nando yo mubwa baraiba basai toi chane tuna mangana sokete wiki na mwesmi oito mwempe ito Alpha Miruka atumigete chibesa cha CDF bobe andege ngato chane timono editari atumigete bobe ali ete chibesa cha CDF Jones abete namba ibere kenyingi ma sabantu bali balire chibesa cha CDF umwesmi wa Alpha aira ni chibese cyo gose bumachoge esi ekura nikenyo inkeba functional.
Enough is enough.
Mwana ro itete sengenje school fees yabolete inkyo ko geroletere amara ni se familia yago so kuri chibese cy'abantu cyabataka.
I'm student leader ya Kisii University in the Nerete youth from Machoge Church. Ntumera na lero, in fact there are some students bakoro Machoge Church batonyora ba karamate mulero. Bono actually numera our patron today. Tomwa go request to Mheshimiwa Alpha Miruka asejibasa dota arwete gocho Machoge Church because last year academic year ntonyorete basari mwanafunzi wa Machoge Church na ro studio go makarata nyorete fee yo for examinations rent ya bero mochando ono Mheshimiwa Alpha Miruka gento kwara kara somo bugwancha temo tutomereji basari etonyoka nto kara matemo
obosokwo banene sana ekero konyoranga Machoge Church our university students and even in colleges commence the examinations. Abana batende magaga ebaseli kukuru exam room because they have not cleared their fee balances.
Gereka okwe bachibete yakwe bakense manye kwatarete robosoku ono mnato gwakeruchi simtote unaki inwa Machoge na bantaba ibi
erietari Alpha eriarenge kati abachumbe bali batumwite chibese cha CDF bobe bali batara disperse chibese cha CDF bobe amate mwachakire chicheke choko na ngaina bantu ngangoriko ingichiko chikokonya when people have missed examinations.
Mwana wo murandia Alpha Miruka,
enough is enough.
Anja wanafunzi chibasa bakole exam kyabo bakole konjitaito mwa bana bakuchosereka.
Alpha is a source of low academic progress in our constituency.
Alpha Miruka, remember that 2027 sisi youth ndio tutakuwa kwa ballot. So what you have to do, lazima usikie kenye tunakwambia.
Toko sababu mwesimi wa Alpha na maskani wale onsi tukwete ancha oira ni chibesa cha CDF eje aronto jikweberani.
Enough is enough.
Alpha inkwatore tero bosoko
Machoge Church CDF funds echiko benefit Alpha monyene and his acronyms mune committee yaye
nani tumaite ngango tamore ogendo chikoboli go senator karo chikoboli go senator karati go bisi yao ya CDF kerebuya
tokorangeli every time go via DCI, ESCC and even the national government into investigate for Machoge Church because we've done Alpha Tra koragende kionsi igako kaenda amatanga and other functions ayimogete chipesa negunia to monto akuna kubagira abantu lakini gogocha as books of account misappropriation of resources igetiogete to the high heavens lero Alpha Miruka sole kwa feli yaba Machoge. If you cannot support education maambia baraiba mabinga ibago chakoru onyo to kuru chibesa abana bachire school.